In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add record fee in Ownerrez. To get started, open Ownerrez and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. This menu is where you can move between different sections of the platform, so it's a good place to begin whenever you need to update a booking. From that left side menu, click on Bookings. This will take you to the Bookings area where all current and past reservations are listed. In this section, you'll want to look for the guest booking that needs the record fee added. Take a moment to locate the correct reservation carefully, since fees should always be applied to the right booking. Once you find the guest name, click on that booking to open the full reservation details. This will bring you into the individual booking view, where you can manage specific items related to that guest's stay. Next, click on Charges. The Charges section is where you can review and update the financial details of the reservation, including any additional fees that need to be documented. If you're ever unsure where to add a charge-related item, this is typically the correct place to go. After that, click on Plus Record Fee. This opens the form that allows you to manually enter the fee information. Here you'll start by adding a description. Make the description clear and specific so it's easy to understand later when reviewing the booking. A good description helps with internal tracking and makes the charge easier to identify. Once the description is entered, move to the amount field and type in the fee amount. Be sure to double check the number before saving, especially if you're working quickly or entering several updates in a row. Accuracy here is important because it affects the booking's financial record. When everything looks correct, click Save. Saving will apply the record fee to the booking and update the charges accordingly, and that's it. The process is simple once you know where to go. Open Ownerrez, go to Bookings, select the correct guest, open Charges, choose Record Fee, enter the description and amount, and save your changes. If you're updating multiple bookings, following the same routine each time can help you stay consistent and avoid mistakes.